Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have the advent calendars, and Blue is right here and Smudge is right here. So, and they're sleepy, but I thought I would open theirs first just to get it out of the way because maybe they'll move on. All right, it's right here. And oh, this is fun. This is like felt, red and green, a nice ball. No, this one doesn't make noise. So you like that, Smudge? Smudge is looking at it. You like that? Okay. You like that, Blue? Yeah, you like that? You like that? Anyway, I'll move on. I'll put that right here. Maybe Blue will play. And then I have the 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar from Macy's that I got from CC's Trail Size Life and Laura the Bargain Hunter. And we're going through it. We're at day 18, y'all. I can't believe it. And day 18 is over here in this door here. And it's a round something. Let me put that down there. See what it is. Oh, it's Butter. It says Butter. We've had that brand before. This is Charcoal Detox Mask for soft, clean, and renewed skin. So this is glass. This little jar here is glass, and it's probably enough in here for one, maybe even two applications. Whoops. Oh yeah, probably one. Okay, so when I see down in there, it's a little low and probably enough for one application. So there's not a lot of information on here, but I can go to their website and see. It's probably well, it's mud, so oh yeah, there is a little information on the back. You're gonna spread it around, let it dry, I'm sure. How to use. I've got this big magnifying glass and still. Apply in one layer, covering the entire face. Okay, all right, Blue, move it on. Anyway, it'll make a nice mask. Now, I don't often do a charcoal mask, but this is a nice thing. A nice thing that I can take with me somewhere and just relax with a mask. And thank y'all for stopping by and seeing our advent calendars. Oh, and I have, this is for the calendar. This is EVO Beauty Pore Perfect Primer. When I say it's for the calendar, it's because I'm messed up with these cats. It's for the treasure hunt. I know you can't see it, so it's a primer, just so you know, okay? It's a nice tube of primer. It says EVO Beauty on it, okay? And that is that. So I will see y'all later and count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all.